Wow, actually there's a whole bunch right there. They look like they could be like really cute flowers, but they're literally weeds and they're really tiny. Like one of them is as big as my nail. And I have an idea that, you know, they're really small, so what I'm gonna do is oh, there's a different kind. Like, look at this. This must be wild daisy. Come on, focus. There we go. And my finger, look, it's so tiny. And I was thinking, like, there should be some vase that are really small enough for, like, I don't know, dwarf's table or something. Like, look at this one. This is actually really pretty. Again, it's like really tiny. Oh, and there's this one. Oh my god, and snow. And then there's like this one. So there's like a few of those everywhere. I don't know what this is gonna be. I think this one is gonna bloom into something. It has little. Why is it not focusing? There we go. It has little flower buds that are gonna bloom eventually. So I'm gonna come back and see what this is gonna bloom into, but my point is they're like really small and we are so used to like big flower vase that we can put like regular size flowers. But what if, you know, just for fun, you can add those to a really small vase? And I was thinking, like, there's so many of those daisies. Oh my god, look at this one. Like, this is so pretty. You know, the more I talk about it, I'm starting to think I should actually do it. Like, make a small vase that I'm gonna put those in. My husband works at home, so that should be like a little thing that's gonna be on his desk and not gonna take a whole bunch of space. And it should be cute, right? So I'm gonna try that and see what it's gonna be like. By the way, I have some leaves that are turning red already. Like, I'm not from America, so is it like almost the end of summer already? And if so, I would hate that. Summer just started, right? I thought June was the first month. May was freaking cold. I stayed indoors all May, so I don't know what's going on, but look, this is turning red. What is this plant? Look, that is so crazy. This is actually like that one, but is it some type of infection? Yeah, like that's still same leaf as that one. I have all these red leaves. Oh, there's more. Oh, there's more of those infected plant back here. And there's more wildflowers that I can put on the desk in the mini vase that I said I was gonna do. But that's an idea that I'm gonna try out. We're gonna see. I actually have a whole bunch of those purple flowers like everywhere. Oh, there's some white ones way up there. If I need to grab it, I think I might go get that. Like this is wild. I'm too far to see, but it looks really pretty. Oh, what is this one right here? Oh, there's more of those little yellow flower. Like everywhere. Who doesn't take care of their Amazon bag? I hope that's not gonna be our name on it. I hate. There's not a plant. I don't even know what that's gonna be. Like, it could just be something to add into the mix for like green color. Ooh. So I have a lot of these purple ones that I'm gonna just pick a few just to test because I think I kind of have a small peel jar that I can like. Ooh, no, I don't want bugs. Okay. Oh my god, there's actually a lot of bugs in those too, so yeah. I'm gonna have to like be careful. Huh? You're like everywhere. I'm trying to find ones that don't have any bugs in it, but it's like all of them has bugs. Huh. They do all have bugs in it. This one looks okay. Oh my god, the stems are really hard too. I'm gonna need a scissors the next time I come out. Especially for this one. I'm just out here picking some wild flowers. Ow. Almost all of them has bugs in it. Like, look at that one. Ugh, go away. Maybe I have a better chance here. Oh, no. Ow. God. Oh my god, I need more. Ow. Okay, I think I have enough. Oh my god. I think I have enough. Like, look at this. This is from just picking all those things. And I have like a whole field of them. I think I'm gonna grab some more. Wait. Yeah, I'm gonna grab some more. Oh my gosh. Like, this is so pretty. If you just grab one of those, it doesn't, you know, do nothing. But then if you grab a whole bunch of these, it's an actual bouquet of wildflowers, which I don't mind as long as they don't have bugs in it. Oh my god, that is actually pretty. That is actually so pretty. Look at that. Wildflowers. So pretty. They're literally everywhere out there. Like, that's all of them, but it doesn't look like that. But if you grab a whole bunch, I'm just gonna make sure they don't. Oh, there's a bug in one of them, so I'm just gonna give it a little bit of shake. Shake out all the bugs. Then it's good. I brought it down to my desk, and this is what I did to just have a background when I was recording my tutorials. But it's flowers that I made on crochet hook. And this 4th of July koozie that I put it over. I think it's salsa. Yep, a salsa jar that I washed. Oh, there's my little pumpkin that I put in there to give these hooks a height. Because when I just put it in there, they are like almost the same height as these, so they were all almost in there. But oh, I'm gonna put my flower in there. See how that works. Set this down. Got some distilled water. I don't think I can go any further. Let's put our wildflowers. Oh my gosh, that is so pretty.